All right, I'm inside Boccone and on Young and just south of St. Clair. So the sandwich itself is $12, and then I got it loaded up, which adds up. So cheese is $1.25. Peppers, onions, hot peppers, mushrooms, 75 cents each. Got a 6-ounce glass of Pinot Grigio for $9.50. So this came out to $25.75. A little bit over my budget right now, but I haven't eaten all day, so. And this is their veal sandwich. Looks good. That's how it looks inside. And the bread has a nice crusty bread. Looks good. I'm hopefully gonna eat the whole thing. All right, I've already had a couple of bites because I was very hungry. I haven't eaten all day. It's after 5 p.m. So this is my lunch and dinner. So yeah, very good. Juicy, flavorful, really loaded up with the toppings. The bread is nice and crusty and fresh. First time having their veal sandwich, so it's very good. Very, very, very good. Look at that. Tender. It's not, the meat is nice and tender. Their pizzas are good. Everything Italian. They have pastas, pizzas. This is the veal. You can get chicken. So take your bite. Very, very tasty.